Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad and welcome to another video on the C programming video series for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about the range of values can be represented in a float, double and long double. Now, the range of values for float, double and long double are defined in an header file called as float.h, and in order to use them, we have to include this header file to our program. So here I'm including float.h header file. Now this header file contains some identifiers also called as preprocessor macros, which we will discuss in the tutorial about the preprocessors. And these macros contain these values. So here we will display this range of values, and also we will see how many decimal digits precision these types provide. So here first I will use the printf function, and here I will type this message for the float type, and then we will display the range of values for float. So here I will have this printf statement, and here I will write the message as the positive range of values is from a placeholder to another placeholder. Here we will display the smallest positive value that can be stored in a variable of type float, and that value is defined in a macro called as flt_min, and I'm displaying these values using the scientific notation because these are large values and small values, and here I'm limiting the number of decimal digits to 5. Now the maximum positive value that can be represented by using a float type can be obtained by using this macro called as flt_max. So here I'm displaying these values. Now here when I say the minimum positive value, we are not including 0. The smallest positive number, which is above 0, which can be stored in a variable of type float, can be obtained here by using this macro. Now this is for the positive numbers. For negative numbers, we have to reverse this. So here I will use a printf function, and I will say the negative range of values is from a placeholder to another placeholder. Now as I said before, for the negative numbers, we just reverse the range of the positive values. So here I have done that. And then we will display the precision in terms of number of decimal digits. For that, I will use this printf statement, and here I will say the precision is %d decimal digits. This is an integer value, and that's why I have used the %d form as specifier. And the precision of number of decimal digits can be obtained for float type using this macro flt_dig. Now, if I save this program and if I run this, then you can see the values in here, the range of positive values, the range of negative values, and then the precision is 6 decimal digits for float type. Now similarly, we will do for double and long double. Now instead of typing everything in front of you guys, I have already prepared this. So here for double type, the smallest positive value can be obtained by using dbl_min macro, and the largest positive number can be obtained by using this macro dbl_max. And here I'm displaying these values in the scientific notation, and I'm limiting the number of decimal digits to 10. And for the negative range of values, we just have to reverse the positive range that I have done here. And then the precision of number of decimal digits for double type can be obtained by using this macro dbl_dig. And for the long double, the positive range of values can be obtained by using these macros that I have done. And for the negative values, we just have to reverse the positive range that I have done here. And then the precision of number of decimal digits for long double can be obtained from this macro called ldbl_dig. Now here, if I save this program and if I run this, then you can see the values in here. For the float type, the precision is 6 decimal digits, and for double it is 15 decimal digits, and for long double it is 18 decimal digits in this compiler and the system that I'm using. Now here I just wanted to show you guys how you can get these range of values. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.